Do you want to master pharmaceutical product registration in one of the most interesting markets ever in the GCC region? So join me in this trip and let's take off together to the state of Qatar and let's discover how we can master this market, how we can place our pharmaceutical product there, how we can gain our ROI out of our pharmaceutical product in such highly interesting market of the GCC countries, mainly driven by tender, however not fully driven by tender like others. So let's complete the puzzle of GCC. Let's master the whole GCC region. Let's master the whole META region. So my name is Zahra Hassan. I came to you from the industry. I have up to more than 10 years of experience in the pharma industry. I believe in order to be such an expert in such a career, you need to combine both study plus practice. That's why I have 3 master degrees. I started my first one in the field of pharmacology and toxicology, and it was some sort of collaboration between the UAE Faculty of Medicine and Manchester University in the UK. I have 2 publications out of this master degree. Then when I found my passion in the pharma industry, I decided to follow my passion there and I did my MBA once I stepped in. And then my third one is a very interesting career, relatively new career also in the pharma industry, which is the pharmacovigilance, the field which is dealing with the safety of the products. And this is actually from Bordeaux University, France, which is currently I'm a PhD student there. This is in addition to my membership in the RAP Society of the US for the regulatory affairs. So let me be your pilot today. Let's travel together to the state of Qatar. Let's master the state of Qatar market. Let's place our pharmaceutical products there. I can't to see you in my course. I can't to see you on board. And best of luck of all of you. And thank you.